ready for a dive bar. I'm ready for dinner.
Well, you're fancy and elegant, and I'm a little bit more laid back looking here for day 23.
I like your ornaments going on.
Thank you. I have a red and green one.
I feel like YouTube's gonna take this down.
No,
It's inappropriate.
No, this is a flashback. If you're tired of wine videos and maybe you want to look for a Christmas cooking video, a couple years ago I did a breakfast casserole
In that shirt.
in this sweatshirt. So it's like a little blast from the past here.
Heirloom piece.
It is an heirloom piece. So welcome to day 23.
Happy day 23.
Yeah, we're getting really down to the last.
I'm sad. It's ending in 2 days.
Yeah, we only have 2
more
more
wines.
bottles of wine until next year, so we're gonna have 300 and. I'm just kidding. We're not. It's not like we're not drinking any wine. So day 23. Let's. Oh, do I get to do this one because it's on my side again?
Sure.
All right. We said what? Red? Or are we going white? Or prosecco or champagne?
I think champagne's the last day, so I think it's gonna be a red.
I think it's gonna be a red.
Yeah.
No.
Uh-oh.
It's a red.
Oh, shit.
Where is it from though?
Um,
Where is it from? I see red label.
I don't know. I feel like we've done everything.
Probably no. It has to be a Merlot. We haven't done a Merlot.
We haven't had Merlot. California Merlot?
Hey.
Let's see.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, chocolate red? Is that what I
A
see?
chocolate red from France. Once upon a time, grape wine with natural truffet and artificial toffee flavors and artificial colors. Wow, I could have never expected
That's
this.
kind of weird.
Once upon a time, grape wine.
Artificial colors too?
Yeah, I guess.
Interesting.
I'm not going to read this, but
Why not give us a port wine? Port wine would probably have all those flavors. I mean, maybe that's what they were going for, but.
artificial toffee flavors and artificial color. So, we're going to try
That's
it.
a curveball.
That is a curveball. I would have never expected that.
This is gonna be a chocolate bomb. I feel like they're probably going for a port wine or something like that.
Port flavor?
Chocolate red, produced in France. This box is really French heavy.
French heavy.
French, Italian heavy. I guess that makes sense. I mean, they're known for all their wines, but
Huh.
I'm surprised.
Yeah, me too.
I wonder what tomorrow's gonna be.
Maybe a champagne?
That's
party?
totally a
Yeah, this is a
curveball.
curveball.
I thought we would get a Merlot or because they were starting to throw in some weird varietals on us.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, maybe it'll give us like the breakdown of like the varietal for it. We'll open this up and we'll see what color it is. Probably like dark like chocolate.
Probably.
No. Oh.
Does it smell like a port wine?
No.
No?
No. It literally
It
smells
smells like chocolate?
Yeah, like chocolate. Like chocolate candy. Sign me up.
Dessert wine?
Talking shit, but
So we've got a... That's a lot. Oh wow.
yeah.
I was not expecting that.
I thought the color would be different.
Wow, it smells like coffee,
Right.
caramel, toffee.
I will be honest with one thing about this box. These corks suck and they're ruining your wine. There might be like cork floating in there.
Yeah.
That's
It's kind of annoying because it's plastic, like artificial cork too.
Alright, so just pouring it in the glass, it's like
I've never smelled something like this. I mean,
like a chocolate bomb.
I'm kind of disappointed, I'm not gonna lie, that it has artificial flavors in there.
So this might be like a gimmick, like not gimmick, but like novelty wine purchase if you don't like wine, but you like chocolate. Like I'm telling you right now,
But they make like real chocolate dessert wines. They make port wines that are
chocolatey,
natural
right?
and that have those flavors. But I'm kind of disappointed.
Like you have to,
This smells like caramel,
yeah,
like
chocolate caramel.
chocolate caramel, like I don't know, clusters.
Like if you melted a Twix
Yeah, it's very.
and put it in a wine glass,
I'm
that's
kind
what
of
it
nervous
smells
to try it.
like. I'm not. Here,
Yeah.
cheers.
Ooh. That's sweet.
Yeah.
It's sweet, but it's dry.
It's just like I can taste the flavoring.
Yeah.
And it reminds me of like if you were to put like a caramel syrup in your coffee.
Yeah. Like an artificial caramel syrup.
Yeah.
Yeah. You're right.
I'm gonna be honest with you. I don't care for any of that. I don't.
Yeah.
I drink my coffee black. I don't add any sweetener or anything to that. So like, that's not a flavor profile that I like. And even with like a wine, like not really.
We're totally bummed. Like
Yeah.
we're down to the last 2 days,
Yeah.
and
Day 23.
I mean, I guess it's like something different. Oh, like
Yeah. Well, it's,
I guess some people would be like, "This is a good dessert wine."
yeah. Not really my thing. So.
They would have been better off putting a port.
Yeah.
A port in here.
100%. But like.
But I don't know if that's just
Probably not
out of the
cost
budget.
effective. Yeah. This chocolate red wine offers intense aromas of dark, ripe fruit, complemented by sweet vanilla notes and refined, noble hints of chocolate. The result is a rich and indulgent wine with a sophisticated and harmonious flavor profile. 10% alcohol by volume, produced in France. So it doesn't give you like the type of grape, it doesn't give you where regionally.
Is it even wine?
I don't know. 10%. Yeah, it's lower than like the whites.
Chocolate-infused French red wines are a delightful fusion of tradition and innovation, marrying the rich heritage of French winemaking with indulgent allures of chocolate. These wines are crafted by infusing high-quality red wines with natural chocolate flavors, resulting in a unique and decadent experience. The process begins by selecting premium red wine varieties, often Merlot, Cabernet, or Pinot Noir, and which provide a robust and balanced base. The infusion of chocolate introduces a layer of complexity, adding notes of dark cocoa, sweetness, and depth to the wine's profile. The end result is a velvety, luxurious wine that combines the fruity and tannic characteristics of red wine with a smooth, rich essence of chocolate. Perfect for a dessert or a standalone treat, chocolate-infused French red wine offers a sophisticated and indulgent tasting experience.
So what that says to me is that like maybe there is a group of people that would appreciate this type of a wine. I would much rather drink a regular red or a port if I'm looking for like a dessert wine.
I don't know, I feel like maybe, am I being too critical? Like, they did give us something different.
Well,
like a dessert wine.
So, yeah, but so that says natural flavors, you know, natural chocolate flavors, but then it's telling you that like it's all artificial.
Right.
So, like, is that because here, like, you have to list out artificial flavoring, or like, I don't know. It's not
What's
like
natural truffet?
I don't know. Artificial toffee flavors and artificial colors. So like this isn't even, it probably dilutes it so much that they have to make it look like red wine with artificial coloring.
A truffet can refer to a few different types of things. A specific Swiss chocolate biscuit by Wernley, whatever.
All right, well let's rate it real quick. I'm not really that impressed. Sorry, wine box.
That sucks.
Yeah, well, it's like unfair almost because this is not my category of wine, but might be my lowest scored wine. Sorry, guys. Oh, well,
Yeah.
that's where I'm at with it.
Yeah. If this was a natural, like the fact that it has artificial color, artificial flavor.
Right.
I don't want to sound like
Right.
pretentious or anything, but if it was natural
Well, not even
flavors that you get from winemaking or you're infused with natural flavors.
Right. You could
But it
use
says artificial flavors on there. I don't know. So
I mean, achieving something that like you can, there are wines that can achieve this complexity by how they're handled.
yeah.
Maybe not like overly, but like I
Yeah.
said, it's like as if I were to like take a red wine, pour a little caramel like coffee syrup into it
Yeah.
and swirl it around.
Kind of, yeah.
It would dilute the color, it would dilute the flavor, it would just be overly syrupy tasting. That's kind of like, for me, it's overly like caramel,
Sweet,
vanilla,
yeah.
sweet. And like, maybe there's some like balance of wine in there, but like, no, not my thing.
Yeah.
So,
Kind of feel bad, but that's just our honest rating.
We're just rating the way that we're tasting
the way we
it.
feel,
So,
the way we taste, yeah.
not probably my least favorite wine so far.
I think I would drink the sake over this.
Yeah.
And the sake was pretty bad.
Oh, just not our thing. But
Yeah.
but again, like this might not be our thing. I was excited to
Right,
try it, but
right.
like not really my thing. So.
Alright.
See everybody back here for the final day tomorrow. I have a surprise outfit for tomorrow. Something I'm very excited to share with everyone.
This is an anticlimactic wine for a very climactic shirt.
Right.
So
it's okay. My shirt's better than the wine. So we will see everybody back here tomorrow for our final wine tasting video of 2025.
This is the first wine we're not going to be finishing.
Yeah, I'm not finishing it. So sorry guys.